Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a single-family residence in Akron, Ohio, on the north side near Chapel Hill. Just going to do a quick walkthrough. This property is privately owned. We're just going to evaluate this to see what our numbers are looking like for rehabilitation and possibly put this property back on the market. I just wanted to give you guys a good look. The property definitely needs some work. So I'm here to tell you that we are buying properties in the area in as-is condition. We will purchase the property to make the repairs. We're not going to ask you to make any repairs, and we will not charge any real estate commissions, and we do have the ability to pay your closing costs, your title fees. So if that's something you or somebody you know may be interested in, definitely contact us, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.